What happens to your crypto if no one knows your seed phrase? You've taken security seriously. Your wallet is secure. Your keys are offline. Maybe you've even split your seed phrase into pieces for safety. But ask yourself this: if something happens to you, could anyone else recover your crypto? The answer, for most people, is a hard no. And that's a big problem. Crypto isn't like a bank. There's no "forgot password" link. No customer support to call. If your seed phrase is lost, your assets are gone. Forever. That's why the Digital Emergency Kit includes a safe, encrypted way to store recovery information, like wallet locations, access instructions, and seed phrase handling tips, so your digital assets don't vanish with you. We're not talking about posting your keys online or writing them in a notebook. We're talking about a thoughtful system that ensures access without compromising security. If you've worked hard to build up digital wealth, protect it. For yourself, for your family, and for your legacy. Click the link in the description and make sure your crypto isn't just secure, but recoverable.